Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool set of high-end blinds. And what makes these so cool is the fact that it requires no major drilling. Now, I've installed a lot of blinds as a property owner and manager over the last 20 years, and this one is actually a really cool design. They actually get you size that's close to your window, and on the end of here, it actually has adjustable pieces that are spring-loaded so that you can pressure put it into your window. I'm going to show you how quick and easy this is to install this. You leave this piece on until you're done, but simply install pushing this up here where it belongs. I'm going to push this in there like a curtain tension rod and get that adjusted to where you want to have it. Maybe you want to have it further set back or set there, and then over here you're going to adjust this piece just to lock it in place. And if you feel like you need to, they do provide you with this little tool here that you can tighten these up. And then the real magic happens. It actually has these pieces here that slide over to hide that side and hide this side. Now it looks like it is a professionally installed set of blinds, and then you can remove this and you have yourself a nice set of honeycomb blinds. They do provide you with this as an option that you can put on there to be able to pull down. And I mean, anywhere you want to have that stops right there. This is fantastic, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. I've installed so many of these sets of blinds. That is light. I mean, not only filtering, that blocks the light. Like, you cannot see the light. So that is a really neat idea. And would you have guessed, they actually have the ability to drop it down from the top. So maybe you're on a busy street, you don't want to have people walking by, but you still want to have some natural light. There you go. Really cool. And then to raise it up, raises right up, out of the way. Again, look from the side. This is the honeycomb fabric. This fabric is extremely nice, very comfortable, very smooth, very resilient. You have kids and stuff going to be throwing things and hitting it with things, it bounces right back. So as far as an ease of use and actually quality set of blinds, I honestly have not installed a better set.